Have you ever wished you could sit across from Jesus, look him in the eyes, and finally ask, Lord, what do you see in me? What do you want for my life? Imagine the calm in his voice, the way every word carries truth and love at the same time. If you were sitting at that table, Jesus wouldn't start by pointing out your failures. He'd remind you of who you are in him, chosen, loved, and forgiven. He'd say, "Daughter, your worth isn't in what the world thinks. It's in what I've already done for you on the cross." He'd remind you that when life feels heavy, his yoke is easy and his burden is light. And if you asked him about your future, he'd whisper, "Trust me. I have plans to prosper you, not to harm you, to give you hope and a future." Every question in your heart, he already knows. And every answer is wrapped in his presence. So maybe you can't physically sit across from Jesus today, but through his word, his spirit, and his promises, you already can. Every prayer is a conversation. Every verse is his voice to you. If this touched your heart, don't scroll away. Take a moment, pause, breathe, and let his words sink in.